Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a quick DIY tutorial for you that can actually make a huge difference in the appearance of your vehicle. So today I'm going to show you how to take your all scratched up and dialed out gloss black window trim and turn it back to its original glory. So before we're going to get started, I want to set a realistic expectations of what kind of results you guys can achieve. So it will all depend on the condition of the panels. So if you have only swirl marks, there's a 90 to 95% chance that all of it gonna go away. But if you have a deeper scratches, unfortunately, that's gonna stay. So let me show you the tools I'm gonna be using today for this correction, and I'm gonna list all of it in the description down below. So for today's DIY project, I'll be using the following tools. We'll start with the rupees. That's a 1-inch rotary codeless polisher. Apex 3-inch dual action polisher. Gtechniq fine cut cutting compound. I choose to use a medium cut because it gives you a decent amount of cut but tremendous amount of gloss. So this is on a 7 of the gloss scale. With the 1-inch polisher, I'll be using 1-inch medium cut pads from Gtechniq, and for the 3-inch machine, I'll be using a medium cut Gtechniq pads. Microfiber towel, Max Shine masking tape, Geon prep spray. If you choose to protect your plastic trim with either spray on sealant or highly suggested ceramic coating. So without further ado, let's get it cracking. Just to be clear, you can get away with using either of these machines. The reason I like to use 1-inch, it gives me more versatile and better control of the bottom section, but 3-inch gives you an overall even coverage. So the first step is to use the masking tape to protect all the rubber seals. So first we're going to add a brand new pad. A little dot is all you need. As we're using a brand new pad, we have to pry it first. So what we do, we set the lowest speed and work it at the same place for around 10 seconds. The pad's primed, so now I set the speed to number 3 and we go to town. So you want to do slow and steady movements with up and down and left to right, the crosshatch pattern. So after the quick pass, I'm going to grab a microfiber towel, I'm going to clean up the area, and we're going to assess the results. So upon the assessment, I can see there's around 80% correction. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab a 3-inch dual action polisher. I'm going to complete the rest 10%. Because it's not a brand new pad, all I need is a one little drop in the middle, and that will be enough. So first I'm going to spread the cutting compound throughout the panel, and then use speed number 3 to do a few more passes, and that should bring us to around 90 to 95% correction. If you have a brand new pad, you want to use 3 drops and follow the same procedure as we did for 1-inch pad. When you spread the compound on the panel, and then you pry the pad for around 10 seconds. So now I'm going to grab a microfiber towel and remove the remaining compound. So now let's complete the second panel. So now both panels are done and I'm very happy with the result. So all we got left is peel off the masking tape, use our prep spray, and then we're gonna apply a spray on sealant. So now we're all set for the final stage, which is protecting the surface of the trim. So I'm going to use one of the Max Shine's microfiber applicators and Gtechniq ceramic sealant. All I'm going to do is just a few sprays on the applicator, spread it throughout, and then buff it with the microfiber. So just like that, the trim is done. We've done a quick correction, first with 1-inch machine, then 3-inch, cleaned it with the Geon prep spray and apply Gtechniq spray and sealant. And to me, it pretty much looks like brand new now. And I know it can be a little bit intimidating, especially if you've never done anything like this before, but trust me, if you follow the simple instructions, you're gonna achieve a very similar result. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. That just gives me an extra motivation to work on the channel and create more content for you guys. So if you have any suggestions for the future videos, future tutorials, please leave it in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.